morning students. Hope all of you fit and healthy at your home and your studies going on very well. Okay beta, so let's start today's class, SST class. This is your SST class and what is the date is today? The date is today 1st March 2021. Today we will do the revision test paper 1 because all chapters is completed now and we are done now the all chapters in revision class. So today we will do the some revision test paper. Okay, this is the first revision test paper which is based on chapter 17 agriculture, chapter 18 our industries, chapter 27 25 it's our goals, rights and duty, and chapter 27 our national ambulance. Okay, your annual exam is based on MCQS type questions. Okay, annual exam is based on MCQ types questions, so we will do the some MCQ types questions. Okay, in SST subject the maximum marks is 90 marks, 10 marks for your project work. Okay, 90 marks paper and you have to complete now your paper in 90 minutes. Number of question in SST subject is 50 question. 50 questions. Okay beta, I hope all things are understand to you. And in the exam, all of you complete now your work before 90 minutes and you have to submit your work before 10 to 15 minutes because in the last time there is some network issue. Mostly students are submitted now. That's why maybe you have faced some problem. So this is my advice for you for your betterment. All of you submit your paper when you are complete now. First you check now all things, all questions you are choose now or attempt now all questions very carefully. After that you have to submit your paper only one time. Okay beta, and before 10 to 15 minutes I hope all of you completed now. So student, do know the question paper in your revision copy. All of you write now this question paper in your copy. Okay beta. So first question is fill in the blanks. First question is here. India is the largest producer of dash in the world. A rice, B wheat, C maize. India is the largest producer. It's a rice. Okay. So all of you choose now A option. You have to click now A option in the exam if you found now this type of question in your exam. Here A option will here correct. Okay. Then second largest producer, it is the wheat. Move to the question number 2. All the people living in India will have dash rights. 6, 5, 7. How many fundamental rights? It's a 6. It's a 6. So your A option will here correct. Okay. All of you learn all the rights. Tell me anyone this time. Anyone tell me? It's a 6 fundamental rights which are given in your constitution. First is right to equality. Second is right to freedom of expression. Third is right to against exploitation. Next is right to religion. Number 5 is cultural and educational rights. And next is last, right to constitutional remedies. Okay, these are 6 fundamental rights which are given to each and every person. Okay, then move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is the constitution laid down dash important national goals. It's a 2, 4, 3. The constitution laid down 3 important national goals which are, anyone tell me? The 3 national goals are, first is democracy, second is socialism, and third is secularism. Okay. Then move to question number 4 is the Kharif season begins with the arrival of dash. A. Winter. B. Summer. C. It's a monsoon. It's a C option will be here correct. The Kharif season begins with the arrival of monsoon. Tell me anyone what is the Kharif crops? Anyone tell me what is the Kharif crop and tell me about Rabi crops. Maybe 2-3 questions from this chapter. So everyone read this chapter very carefully. Okay? And which crops are Kharif crops and which crops are Rabi crops. There is no confusion about. Tell me anyone what are the Kharif crops? Kharif crops like that rice, millets, cotton, jute. Okay, and Rabi crops, it's a wheat, gram, mustard, sugarcane also. Okay, okay. Then move to the next question is question number 5. Railway engine are produced at our industries chapter. And in our industries, I told you which page number? Where is the some important information about the industries. That page number all of you read very well. Okay, railway engines are produced at option A Punjab, B Uttar Pradesh, C Haryana. Haryana is a part of Uttar Pradesh. So it's a wrong because railway engines are not produced in Haryana. Okay, railway engines are produced in Uttar Pradesh, DLW. Yes, you know, but here is DLW in Varanasi. But here is not, there is no Varanasi. So all of you go with B option. It's a Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And here, if I mention now here the coaches, railway coaches are produced at. So that time your option will A correct. Railway coaches are produced at Kapurthala in Punjab. And one state or also, I think it's a Tamil Nadu. Okay, and railway engines are produced at the Uttar Pradesh in Varanasi city, DLW, and West Bengal, Chitranjan also. Okay, so everyone learned these things. Next is question number 6 is, our national flag is in a shape of. Hope you all of you see our national flag. It's a triangular. No, it's a wrong. It's a circle. No, it's a rectangular. Okay, it's a rectangular, and in our national flag there is a 3 colors band: saffron, white and green. And what is the meaning of these 3 colors? All things all of you remember now. And according to this question, your C option will be correct. Okay, it's a rectangular. Everyone note down these questions. After that, I will give you the next question which is based on true false. Okay. True false. Question number B is, it's a true, T for true, F for false. Okay. Question number 1 is, everyone note down. It says our national animal is tiger. It's a very easy. Yes or no? It's a true. B is false. C is none of these. None of these. Question number 2, all of you write now with me. Question number 2 is, cotton grows well in red soil. A true, B false, C none of these. None of these. Question number 3 is, everyone note down. Question number 3. Our national symbol, our national, our national symbol, our national symbols binds us, bind us together. A, true. B, false. C, none of these. None of these. Next question is, question number 4 is, note down everyone. Industries are not given, are not giving, not giving employment, not giving employment, job, whatever, not giving job to many people, to many people. It's a true. B is false. C is none of these. None of these. Next question is 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, our national emblem, our national emblem, our national emblem was adopted on 26th January 1950. A, true. B, false. C, none of these. None of these. Okay, these are the 5 questions. So I will give you the answers with explanation of these questions. First question is, our national animal, it's a tiger. Is a true. If I'm in question, the national animal is not a tiger, so that's why false. But here I'm giving now the our national animal is a tiger. It is a true. Our national bird is peacock. Okay, all of you learn these things very carefully. It's a true. Then move to the question number 2 is, cotton grows well in red soil. No, it's the wrong. Cotton grows well in black soil. Which color soil? Black soil. That's why here is a red soil. This B option will here correct. It's a false. Next question is, third question is, our national symbols binds together. Yes, our national symbols. In our country there are many states, many different castes, different peoples are living now, but all living peoples in our country have a all living peoples, they are belonging in different state. Okay, they are belonging now different, they are speaking now different languages, different things, their customs are different, but their national symbol is the same. And our national symbol binds us together. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our national flag is the same for each and every person. Okay, so our national symbol binds us together. It's a true. Okay, next question is question number 4. Industries are not giving job to many people. Here is a not. It's a wrong na. Industry, if any country have many industries, it means that country is developed. and many peoples have many jobs. Okay, and their living standard is good. So according to this sentence, industries are not giving job to many people. It's a wrong. So this sentence is a false. Okay, beta. Next question is number 5. Our national emblem was adopted on 26th January 1915. Yes, it's a true. So everyone choose this A option. And some this type of question, who is the Prime Minister of our country? The option are Mr. Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind and Yogi Adityanath. Tell me which one is correct. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Tell me students, Mr. Narendra Modi. You have to choose now where I am writing now Narendra Modi. Same thing. Another question. Who is the CM of our state? Your state, Uttar Pradesh. Same options are given also. Mr. Yogi Adityanath, Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who won? Who is the CM of our state? It's a Yogi Adityanath. Where I am writing now, you have to choose now. Okay, this type of question you focus now, because national symbol is a part of our syllabus. National emblems. So all of you read now this little question. Who is Prime Minister? Who is CM of your state? In which state you all of you live now? And options are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. In which state all of you live now? Tell me anyone. Your state is the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, beta. And who is the CM of Uttar Pradesh? Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Tell me. Narendra Modi. This type of question. All of you learn it. And who is the governor of the Uttar Pradesh? Tell me anyone. This is your homework. In next class I will tell you. Okay, beta. Till then, have a nice day, and all of you practice some this type of questions. Okay.